Thanks for giving the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sivanesan. I'm completed BTech in Computer Science and MBA in Marketing and Finance. After I completed graduation, I'm searching for a job through Naukri portal. I got a Edition Technoserve Private Limited. This recruitment and IT consultancy. After I joined this Evision Technoserve Private Limited, I learned a lot of things and emerging trends through IT sectors in network related point of view. Network related as a desktop support engineers, they are facing issues in daily basis in IT sectors like Windows issues and network related issues and MS Outlook issues and software and hardware related issues and domain configuration, creating new users. These are the issues are facing and handling in IT sectors. In operating system related issues like BSOD error and black screen error and system hanging errors, etc. In network related issues, a low connection, and proxy error and system failure, link failure, etc. In hardware related issues like monitor error, and keyboard and software problem, keyboard and mouse problem, and motherboard problem, RAM problem also. In MS Outlook problems, there are incoming and outgoing error and PSD file error and OST file corruption and backup. These are the problems are facing in this. And also we learn about the concept of ITIL. In that concept, there are incidents and problems, incidents management and problem management, the changing management. There are different types of ticketing and time management, problem solving times and pickup times, all that we can learn in ITL. In cybersecurity, there are different types of attacks we can learn by using Kali Linux tool. We can use eye mapping, packet tracing, and remote users through hacking. We can transfer the file to Linux through the Windows. We can able to control the system from Linux OS to Windows system through sending the viruses to the computers like that. All the sessions are must be in theoretical and practical oriented. In every session, every week, and they conducting a mock interview related to the topics. That mock interview is very useful for rectify our mistakes and clarify our doubts in the point of view. I think so. My long-term goal is I want to be a cloud admin in upcoming years. And my short-term goal is I want to join in good organization for better learning and growth of myself and also well as organization. My weakness is I am lazy when I'm not interested in that thing. My hobby is playing cricket, internet surfing, and PC games. I think I am suitable for the position that which in opening of your company, as I am a sincere and punctual and result oriented person, and I am assured that I can prove myself and as a valuable asset for your company. That's all about myself, sir. Thank you.